So I'm going to be showing you how to do what I like to call the queen wrap, using a regular scarf with tassels and a regular scarf without tassels. So first thing you want to do is put the scarf at the back of your head. And I could have cut this part out, but I like to show you that it doesn't come out perfect on the first go round. So yeah, you want bring it to the front and make a cross, and then with one side just wrap around, and then what you're going to do is tuck the tassels. And at this point it may not feel like super secure, but you're going to go around it with the other end that you have hanging out, and then that'll give you the security that you need, or it should. So now I'm just readjusting it and kind of centering it, and I'm going to take the remaining end of the scarf and go back around the other way, and then repeat the same step, tuck the tassel. And that's really it. And y'all, I threw on some hoops after this, and I was looking real goddess-like. So yeah, that's it from the side. Ignore that tag that's sticking out right there. And it's it from the back. Also, excuse my naps. I'm in the process of growing out my hair. Relax. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to show you how to do this with a regular scarf. So, same process. Start at the nape of your neck, pull the scarf forward, and kind of make an X with the scarf, and proceed to wrap and tuck.